You don't want to start chasing me, I'll tell you that right now. You don't want to be the dumb stalker to try that. Hey guys, it's the Dark Jerry, and we are, of course, back on SubNautica. And I am, of course, still completely lost on what I was doing. Let's see what the last voice log was. Oh, okay, I'm still waiting on the sunbeam. Okay, that's pretty common. That one's gonna take a while anyways. Do I have anything I can make? Am I doing on fluid? I'm doing fine on water, it looks like. Go ahead and grab a couple of those so I have them. Got a fresh battery just in case. This thing's battery at. Might as well replace its battery. Alright, so let's go ahead and case. Gotta wait for the sunbeam anyway.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Anything in here? No, in fact, I believe we got plenty of water, plenty of food. Got my table coral for when I start making microchips. Glass. Take that real quick. Corridor on. Click the habitat builder. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let's see here. Just a regular compartment on there. And we'll go to another T-split. Okay. Let the habitat builder away because I actually don't need it. We can go ahead and throw this stuff in there. Go ahead and pull that so I can make some glass. That's a low battery. We don't need to take that. Get on heal. Okay. So we do in 1, 2. There we go. Okay, so I've got all that. Okay. A nice little long corridor there. That's gonna end up for other stuff. That's what we can do. Let's go see if we can find. We can find pieces to. Oh wait, I know. That's only up 36%. Okay. Once the sunbeam hits me up again, then I'll be able to get the multi-purpose room. Ooh, stalker egg. Ooh, this is so bad. Now that was tactical. I actually was able to get past him without him doing nothing. Let's go ahead and surface real fast. Alright. as well come down into here. I got stuff I need to find in here anyway. Need sandstone and other things. Among other things. Alright. We've already been over here. This is Ep.5 17. I know for a fact we've already been over here. Alright, let's see here. I don't need salt because I got plenty of that.
Passing 100 meters. Oxygen efficiency decreased.
Thank you, Iris. Small tree field. Oh, scanner room fragments. Very nice.
Integrating new PDA data.
Nice. Ooh!
30 seconds.
Oh, that is such a nice early on find. That's emergency food right there.
New blueprint.
Oh, what a great find early on, you guys. I'm so glad I found the vending machine early. That thing is great. Now all I gotta do is find a coffee machine. And I will have emergency fluid and food at all times in my base. Although I think it's actually over there near a completely different set of record. Which would surprise me in the least. That vending machine find was so great, you guys. I'm so glad I could do that. Ooh, bioreactor fragment. I already have the ability for that, though, so that doesn't matter. We got that one real early on. I think we got that one in like episode 2 or 3.
30 seconds.
Oh, this is episode 3, isn't it? I think this is episode 3. Maybe. No? This might be 4. Alright. So, down we go again. Ah, sandstone. Nice. Silver.
Passing 100 meters. Oxygen efficiency decreased.
There it is. Thought I had seen another one. Ooh, gold. There we go. That'll help computer chips. You really need to get the ultra high capacity. My inventory is full. Really?
30 seconds.
Crap, it sure is. Oh, gotta go home. Good thing home isn't too far, huh? Those feedbacks are so cool. So guys, quick note, I have started scheduling out what I'm going to be doing by days. So, stick around on Mondays for Metro and Minecraft, things like that, and a few others. Because as we all know, I like to put out 2 to 3 videos a day. On Tuesdays, stay tuned for The Forest. And a couple of just throw in other games. On Wednesday, I'm going to be doing Weird Game Wednesdays, so expect those. Those will be just some off games that I've found, you know, that are free, that are pretty much the way they are. On Thursdays, I'll be doing Keep Sim and a couple of others. And then, let's see, Friday will be things like Fortnite and Frostbite. Let me think here. And then Saturday will be like Satisfaction Saturdays. So, or Satisfactory Saturdays. Also, expect at least once or twice a week for me to do a live stream on YouTube that's a face-to-face so that I can get to know you guys better and you can get to know me a little bit better. I'm hoping people start showing up to those because the last few times I've tried, nobody's even bothered showing up. They were late at night though, so I can kind of understand. Kind of. What do I need? I need... Oh, okay. And all I gotta do is pull a piece of glass out of here, don't I? Oh, darn it, it's in the other one. Oops. Stage kit. Okay, so I gotta get down here. Oh, goodness. The beginning is always such a pain. You don't have nothing in your face. It's all up in your pond. You have to back and forth. And oh my god. Okay, maybe I'm just being whiny. I guess I better pull you out. Wouldn't hurt to have you things. Stuff you in there. Grab those. Grab some of that. Alright. I need that. Coral. Interesting coral people. Okay. I can't believe I found the vending machine. That's so awesome. I'll have to put that in my face so I have emergency food. Okay, so all I need to do is unequip the tank. Oh, I don't have enough room. I will. Okay, now we've got my ultra high capacity going. There we go. That makes a big difference. Trust me. I learned that the hard way. Alright, so let's crank out some more water real quick. And then I'll go get some fish. I have food. I do still have a nutrient bar. You want to talk about how long I keep those things? I prefer not to use them unless it's an absolute emergency. They heal the best for food-wise. So I prefer to not abuse those privileges. Alright, let's see. Got my habitat builder in here. Hey, Peeper. Come here, Peeper. Come here, Peeper. Don't run away from me. Gotcha. Hey, hey. Alright, butterfish. As you guys can see, I have not fished out this area. I've done my best not to. Like, I'm really trying to keep from doing that. Let me salt those.
Welcome aboard.
Now... Okay, so now I got the habitat builder. Okay, so let's see what it takes to make that thing. 2 titanium, 1 glass. Okay, that makes sense. And there's of course my bioreactor. So 2 titanium, 1 glass. And then we can totally put it in way over here. Just to make it be a walk to get it. I wonder if I can even put it in here. I don't think I can put it in here. I think, nope, it's too tall. It won't go into the compartment. Son of a... Oh, that's a pain in my... That's frustrating. Basically, I can't do anything with it. So, anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys, because, of course, the Sunbeam still hasn't contacted me yet, and I'm not waiting around ever with it. So, we'll catch that one in the next episode. Thanks for joining me on SubNautica Sundays. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember, if you like my videos, to smash that thumb and to subscribe if you're new, and slam that bell across the house so you can be notified. Okay, guys. I love ya. Bye.